Curri is a unique gig app that allows drivers to pick up and make deliveries of construction materials. So you'll more than likely be delivering to different job sites on your deliveries. I'm making this video to show you how easy it is to use the Curri app and what your day will look like delivering as a driver in the Curri network. First and foremost, let's talk about etiquette. Curri customers have high standards for the service they're receiving from drivers, so let's go over how you can represent yourself well when making deliveries.
Alright, so I've already received my rush delivery request and the pickup location is going to be at Sherwin-Williams. So it's important that we show up on time and ready to go. Also, it's important to wear something that's comfortable and also professional. So in this case, it would be a Curri t-shirt, jeans, work boots, or sneakers. Anything that's closed toe in case you need to go to a job site.
I recommend drivers wear professional clothing that is also comfortable. For example, I'm going to wear some jeans and a Curri t-shirt that I ordered off the Curri store. I'll include a link to the Curri store if you'd like to snag a t-shirt for your deliveries, but it's not required. What you wear is ultimately up to you. A button-down or a t-shirt that is plain and professional is also a good option. It is also recommended that you wear closed-toed shoes or work boots if you have them so that you'll be ready to make deliveries to job sites that require protective clothing. After setting yourself as active on the Curri driver app, you'll receive a text notification of a delivery that is available in your area. If you find the job acceptable, you can place your bid to receive the job. Our team of dispatchers use factors like distance from the pickup site, type of vehicle you have, and accessories you added to your profile to determine who would be the best fit for the delivery. Curri will also look at your driver rating. If you'd like a video talking more about driver ratings, drop us a comment below. Once you receive confirmation that the delivery is yours, use the information provided to you via text and the app about the delivery to head out to the pickup location. Go to the delivery section of the app and click on the delivery for the day. Here you'll find pickup notes and a maps feature that'll give you directions to the delivery locations.
Alright, so I've already received my rush delivery request and the pickup location is going to be at Sherwin-Williams. So it's important that we show up on time and ready to go.
Alright, so I'm here at the pickup location and this order is for Robert Johnson and it's for 1 can of paint. So I'm going to head in and pick up the materials. You'll need to take a picture of the items that you're picking up and load them onto the Curri app. Awesome, thank you. You too.
You want 4 or 5 of it?
Alright, I'm back in the vehicle. As a driver on the Curri network, it is my job to make sure that the load is secured and safe for transport. Also, I just want to clarify that loading and unloading anything under 50 pounds is part of the services drivers commit to providing by taking gigs on our network, like these paint cans. You may be asked by customers on our network to carry items larger than 50 pounds. If this comes up, just give driver support a call and notify them of the situation. Actually, now that we're on the subject of driver support, communication is key when driving with Curri to ensure a smooth delivery. If you run into any issues or delays, always notify the driver support team so they can work with you.
Alright, so I just picked up the paint from Sherwin-Williams. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Curri app and look for the drop-off location and any additional directions.
Alright, so the paint is going to the front office of an apartment building that looks like it's being remodeled. I'm going to grab the paint and drop the delivery off with Robert Johnson. It's important that when you drop off your delivery, you take a visible photo and ask to fill in the name of the customer receiving the materials on the Curri driver app and have them sign. Curri will not count the delivery as delivered and completed unless you do these steps. Alright, and just like that, I completed the order. It was really simple, and Curri has designed the app to be as user-friendly for drivers as possible. With the Curri app, customers can pin an exact location, so I knew exactly where to take the paint to. Curri customers are very professional, but if anything comes up, always know that you have Curri's driver support team ready to assist you. Alright, and just like that, the delivery is completed. And if you are not set up for instant pay, you'll receive your payment the next day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. However, if you want to opt into instant pay, you can. You'll just need to enter your debit or credit card into your profile. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope that this video was able to show you how easy and profitable driving for Curri can be. Let us know if there's any questions you have in the comment section, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Safe driving!